little bit on my lips too. I don't care if I have lipstick on. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna show them all. Get it on. Get it on. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is actually day 8 of May 2018 box week. I cannot believe it. We are here with day 8. First of all, you may notice I'm like in a really random setup. I'm actually at Hammy Bear's house. I'm here to have dinner, but long story short, I didn't get any boxes in to finish out box week. I got this box while I was at work. I went on my lunch break. I literally was stuck in traffic, or not stuck in traffic, but I like drove through traffic on my lunch break to get to my mom, to get the box, to go back to work, and now I'm having dinner with Hammy Bear, but he's out grabbing tacos right now. Big surprise. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna come out and film a video because he actually has like good lighting at his house. So, you know, doing it. All right. So, tonight we're gonna be opening on day 8 of box week. Also, really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew, click the red subscribe button. Join us. We're awesome. We're crazy. We're wild. And box week is really awesome. We spend a new day, like we spend like 7 days together. I can't talk. I'm like so excited about this unboxing right now. Okay, so tonight, what are we opening on my YouTube channel? I'm going to try and cover up my address because it's like on the front of the box. But y'all are not going to believe this. I got one of the Ricky's Cult Crush boxes. Okay, so when I did my first stockpile giveaway, you guys were like, everyone was like, you have to check out Ricky's Cult Crush. It's this brand new subscription box. And I was like, all right, cool, check it out. And the thing is, it's like sold out. Like, it's this brand new subscription. It's $11 a month. They've been giving out like full-size eyeshadow palettes, all kinds of crazy stuff. But like when it's available, it sells out right away. So I like signed up to get notified. I got on the list. I set alarms, everything. I got the box. I am now in. So I'm really excited to open this. Ricky's Cult Crushes is a brand new subscription service. I don't even know how long it's been out. I know it's not very long. $11 per month. This is my first time opening it. I'm borrowing Hammy Bear's boot knife. I'm going to be cutting open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like so excited. You guys were telling me this box is amazing. I started checking it out and I've been like waiting and waiting impatiently, and it arrived today. So I was like, you know what? I will drive. I will be in traffic for 40 minutes on my lunch break and not really get a real lunch so that I can show the Just Like Drew crew this amazing box. I also want to let you guys know I'll be picking items from here and putting them in the stockpile giveaway, but the stockpile giveaway is at my house, so I'll be showing you items that'll be going into the big giveaway box that we have. They're just not going to be going directly into it during this video. Okay, so I'm opening the top of this and everything is wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm actually really happy to see that. I'm happy that they're protecting my exciting new merchandise. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Oh my gosh, the box smells good. That's crazy. All right, on the top it says Cult Crushes, and it looks like on the back here they have all the items in there. We're not going to look at that. We're just going to get into the box. All right, the first item I'm pulling out of here is Bioderma Solution Micellar Water. Ooh, makeup removing micellar water. This is a really good size too. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is gonna go into the giveaway box. Micellar water is really awesome. I've actually done a video on like what's toner and all that kind of stuff. So micellar water is gonna go in the giveaway box. The cool thing about that is when you take off your makeup at night, if you get a little cotton pad and you rub your face with micellar water, it's gonna like take off the extra added dirt and everything in your skin. Oh my God, amazing. So that's going in the giveaway box. All right, the next item that we have is Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter, Argan Oil Infused. Okay, so we got a liquid highlighter. I'm going to keep this because I know we already put in a couple of like liquid highlighters into the giveaway box. And I'm also like super excited to see what this is because this is like a newer brand. I can't get it out though. I can't get it out of the box. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got it. Ooh, y'all, this is some pretty fancy stuff. Okay. Putting this on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to swatch it. Oh my God, look at it. It is so pretty. Okay, I think I've told you guys before, the thing that I love about liquid highlighter, that's Evie in the background, my dog, don't mind her. The thing I love about liquid highlighter is you put this on, and then you put your highlighter over it, and it just like makes it pop. Also, I'm going to put a little bit on because like my cheeks are looking a little bit crazy because I've worked all day. It's been wild. I don't know. So the next item that we have is Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics. That is also going into the giveaway box because I told you I'm committed to making sure that whoever wins my giveaways, I always want them to get things that like you always kind of neglect in your makeup collection, like makeup brushes and stuff like that. So I'm excited that's going to go into the giveaway box. I can't talk. Next thing we have is Wash and Stain Bar, vegetable soap and borax and essentials, the laundress. I think This is some kind of a laundry. Okay, I'm looking at the card now. This handy bar is your wardrobe's new BFF. It's designed to clean those hard-to-reach stains. They must know I eat a lot of tacos. That all beauty lovers experience, from ring around the collar to strap sleeves and all other unwanted places where your makeup gets. Oh my God, you guys, this is to clean makeup off your clothes. Okay, look at this. Look how cute that is. I don't think you understand how much makeup I get on my clothes. Like, seriously, like, I actually have clothes that I wear specifically for putting on makeup because I'm always just a covered mess. All right, looks like we have, and I'm gonna keep that because I'm dying to try this out and see how that works. Next item we have is Pure Paw Paw Ointment. Strawberry saves your skin as it soothes and smooths. All right, papaya fruit. I think this is what I smell, that nice smelling thing. Oh, no, you know what? I think it's a bar I smell. This is some fancy, nice little, like, ointment, though, for your skin when it's dry. It's a topical ointment used for dry, chapped, cracked lips and skin. Well, you know what? Because this is the first time, we are going to open this. Oh, y'all, look, there's a little thing on the cap. This is like the good old Dress Like Drew days, where I have to try and open things with my teeth. Oh my God. This is like such a special night for us in the family here. If you've been here a long time, you know that this is just a special day. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hands. It kind of looks like a fancy bougie Vaseline. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips too. I don't care if I have lipstick on. We're gonna do it. We're gonna show them all. Get it all over. Oh, I like the way that feels. Oh, I like it. Oh my God, I like it. I am feeling it. Okay. So that's everything in this box. All of this for $11, by the way. Like, I honestly, like, can't even, like, begin to tell you how cool this is. So, honestly, I don't even know if you can get this box anytime soon. I'm sorry. So, what I will tell you is this is what I did. I went on their website, and I went to Ricky's NYC, and then I clicked Cult Crushes, and then I said, I want to get this box, and then I signed up for a list, and they emailed me when the spots were opening up. So that's all I'll tell you to do. I don't think there's any referral codes or anything like that just yet. But, okay, let's recap this. So we got the Pure Paw Paw Ointment, which I got on my lips. My lips are looking good. They're feeling smooth. My hands are looking snatched right now. They look a little bit greasy, but they actually feel really good. We got the Wash and Stain Bar from the Laundress, which I'm also keeping. This is supposed to help like get makeup and stuff like that off of you. We got the Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set. This will be going into the stockpile giveaway when I take this box home. We got the Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water, which is great for removing all that excess makeup off. That's also going in the giveaway box when I get home. And then finally, we got the Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter, Argan Oil Infused. And I'm excited about that. That I'm keeping because I wanted to. So, this was awesome. I'm really excited you guys told me to try out this box, and I really hope that, like, if you haven't gotten it, that you can get it, get on the list. I'm telling you, it's cool. All right, so that is all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'm still waiting on more boxes to come in. This is all I've received so far, so right now we'll say this is the box week pause, but if I get more boxes in within the next couple days, I'll be back. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. That's simple. This is the third one that we're doing. We've already filled it up. This 2 times is going to be our 3rd time filling it up, and as soon as it's full, we'll just be giving that away to one of the people who subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to open